Hello, let me introduce you to Kosnic's range of DD lamps. This product is designed as a replacement product for existing bulkheads. It can also be used with new bulkheads. It is a patented design from Kosnic, which makes it stand out for the marketplace and makes us a unique solutions provider, which is what encompasses Kosnic's ideology of providing solutions. This range is available in two lamps. It has switchable wattage, switchable colour. We have a standard version, and then we also have this sensor version, which has built-in microwave corridor. So it's perfect for hotels, for schools, for nursing homes, all them sort of applications whereby you still want an ambient light level, and you can do that with setting it on corridor mode. Its patent is this little plug-in port on the back. This just means you can use an existing bulkhead, partner it with our emergency module, and you've then converted a CFL product into emergency LED. Perfect.